Let's say we have a huge data set and we would like a way to filter it visually to make it easier for the user. We can do that using slicers and tables, similar to this, where we can filter using the choice we make. If we want multiple items, we can press here and we can pick multiple items as filters. We apply this by first going into the data set we have. Then we press Ctrl A, press Ctrl T to convert it into a table. Then we press OK. After we do this step, we go up here to Table Design. We find Insert Slicer. We press on it and then we choose how we want to filter our data. I want to do it by using the region. Then it will show up like this. Let's say we don't want it as a single column, where we want it to fit up here. We press on the slicer. We go up here where it's certain columns as one column, and we can change it to the number of columns we want. Let's say I want 4, and then we move the slicer up here and we fit it like we want. As you can see now we have an active slicer that we can use to filter this information.